In this video, I want to show you a bit more about the account default views. This is a way to set the default views for the account, so all users of the account see a default view, whether that's the list view, the cards view, the Kanban view. You can define it in your account settings, and that's what all users of your account will see. Let me show you how it works. So here we're in the project.co demo account, and if I go to Options, Account Settings, and then Account Settings again, you'll see if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you've got a section called Default Views. And in here, we can define what the default views are for the different areas. So for projects, for example, we've got List View set, but we could also change that to Cards or Kanban View, for example. In the templates, we've got List View and Cards View. And in here, you can basically just define all your different views in terms of how you want them to be shown to people that go to each page of your account. So for example, let's make a couple of changes. Let's say that instead of the projects page, we want it as a list view. Let's say we want the default to be a cards view. And then let's say templates we'll leave at list view, but maybe we want the tasks to show as a Kanban view, perhaps. And then once we save, we can go to one of these default views, and you'll see this loads as the cards view, which is nice. It means that you can set exactly how you want your pages to show to people who view your account, and this will apply to everybody who views your account, whether they're a collaborator role or a creator role. No matter which role they are, this view will apply to them. However, these views can also be overridden at the user level. So each person can come in and they can say, okay, I don't really want to see my projects in a cards view or the default view set by the account. So they can go to Options, Your Settings, and down at the bottom in here, they have the option to override the account views. So you can set your views at the account level that will be global for everybody, and if people want to override them for themselves, then they can do that in here. So in here we could say that we want to not use the account setting of cards view, but actually when we go to view projects, we want to view them as in the Kanban view. And this is particularly useful for tasks because you can say the global view might be all tasks, but when I view my tasks, I might want to see just my tasks. So I can come in here and change this to my. And I want to see it in a list view perhaps. So now when I save, and I go back to projects, I see it straight away in a Kanban view. My view has been overridden by the user level rather than the account level. And if I go to tasks, you see I see my tasks in list view. So this is a great way to set your account defaults and also let users override them so that they can see their views, their tasks, projects and data in their way as they like. So I hope you enjoy this feature, and if you've got any feedback or if you have any questions, then please hit the button down here, let me know or let the rest of the team know, and we'll come back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.